Yes sir, yes sir. I never really showed a motor, but I got the motor in there for you boys. 08 running good. I'm about to put this air filter back on here. Let y'all hear how you sound. Don't say nothing about my wiring, brothers. I just ain't had my time to do it right. I'm gonna move this on the side. I'll let y'all see the fuse box. It's going right there on the wall anyway. Yeah, I put starter fluid there. Don't laugh at me. This tag module went right here. Got my shoes up on it. Got the wheels and tires on that joint. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a quick throttle response video. Give you guys a quick run on it real quick. Electric fans working. Dual exhaust hanging out the side. I'll put it right here for you. Back wheel tucked on the airbags. I gotta lift the front up 1.5 inches when I started. Yeah, a little bit of work I still gotta do. Leather seats in there. I'm about to do a dash change. Door swap video coming up next. But yeah, just a quick little sound off of how he sounded. I'm done now, man. Signing off.